Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to transfer USDT from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. So let's start. Following this step, surely you will do it. So let's go to the first step, that is logging into our Bitget account. So only you log in with your credentials. The second step is navigate to Exchange section. Once you log in, go to Exchange tab. Then the third tip is in the exchange section, select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. So the number 4 is click on withdraw button. You will prompt to enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Number 5 is enter your Bitget address. So you have to select Bitget Wallet as the destination address. The number 6 is confirm the transaction. So you have to double click on the amount and the wallet address to ensure accuracy. Then click on withdraw to confirm the transaction. So you have to be careful about the amount and everything is okay for confirm the transaction before confirm the transaction. Then let's go to the number 7. It's wait for the transfer to complete. The transfer may take a few minutes to several hours depending on network congestion. So you can track the status of your transaction in the transaction history section. So you can check there if the transaction is done and if the person received it, etc. So you can check it on the transaction history. So that's the way to do it, to transfer USDT from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. So I hope this works for you. I hope these tips helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.